Good morning, friend. Today's next article is selection rule. This is very important article. What do you mean by selection rule? General rules concerning the transition which may occur between the states of a quantum mechanical, physical system are known as selection rule. But in order the transition rules in spectroscopy, the transition rules in spectroscopy are known as selection rules. Some rules are arises to spectroscopy. They are followed as that is selection rule. The selection rules arises because symmetry properties of the oscillating charge of the atom. It is experimentally found that all the possible combinations of permitted energy states of an atom don't appear as spectral lines. How to follow the spectroscopy selection rule? Okay, the transition can takes place S and P and D, D and F states, but under normal condition no transition can take place between S to D, direct D, S to D. This type of transition cannot be allowed, or P to F. This type of transition cannot be allowed. Only transition is allowed to S to P, P to D, D to F, F to G, and so on. This type of transitions can be allowed. It is because some restrictions are followed the selection rule. These restrictions are called selection rule. Which restrictions? Electron goes to S to P, P to D, D to F, F to G, and so on. Not electron goes to directly S to P, P to D, or F. These are not allowed. Allowed only this transition S to P, P to D, D to F, and F to G. On the basis of selection rule, the transitions are called allowed or forbidden. Which type of transitions are allowed? S to P, P to D, D to F, and F to G. These transitions are allowed or forbidden. These rules were first introduced on purely empirical basis, but they were obtained by rigorously deductive method in wave mechanics. Hence, they now rest on a permanent theoretical basis. These selection rules have been advised or divided for L, J, S, etc. level. The selection rule are as follows. Number one, the selection rule for L. Selection rules for capital L. What do you mean by L? L means orbital angular momentum. This quantum number the rule is delta L is equal to plus minus 1. That is, transition take place only between levels. Transition take place only between levels whose capital L or angular momentum number differ by only 1, because of transition is allowed plus or minus 1. Then second selection rule is the selection rule for J. Rules for capital G. Total angular momentum. Therefore, delta J is equal to plus minus 1 or 0. Delta J is equal to plus minus 1 or 0. Therefore, delta J is equal to 0 is also permissible, because the direction of spin of an electron in an orbit. Okay, only two possible values. Which values? Delta L is equal to plus or minus 1 can lead to delta J is equal to 0. Then third one is the selection rule for S. Capital S. The quantum number, S means spin quantum number. The rule is delta S is equal to 0, which means that with different S do not combine with one another. Theory and experiment. This selection rule is only approximate rules holding good in case of light atom, because of delta S is equal to 0. Then fourth one is selection rule for total quantum number. Selection rules for total quantum number in bracket small n, or principal quantum number. In Bohr theory, there was no restriction on change in small n. In Bohr theory, no restriction for change in small n for transition of atom from one energy level to another energy level. According to quantum theory, quantum theory, there is no restriction on change in n. In Bohr theory, there is no restriction on change in n. Therefore, quantum theory also no restriction in small n. It can change by any positive integral rule, including 0. Only change by positive integral rule, including 0. Then fifth one is the selection rule for quantum number small l or n theta. Selection rule for quantum number l and or n theta. Therefore, delta l is equal to plus minus 1 and delta n theta is equal to plus minus 1. That is, any electron transition must be changed by only plus 1 or minus 1. Transition change only plus 1 or minus 1. Then sixth rule, the selection rule for ml and ms, spin orbital quantum number and spin magnetic quantum number. The delta ml is equal to 0 or plus or minus 1. The orbital magnetic quantum number ml either does not change or changes by plus or minus 1. Does not change means delta ml is equal to 0 or changes by plus or minus 1. The spin quantum number delta ms is equal to 0. Therefore, delta mj is equal to 0 or plus minus 1 because of delta ms is 0 due to no spinning. These are the rules for transition possibilities that are based on quantum mechanical calculation.